Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So today we are going to see Python coding syntax. So here some rules are there. In Python extra spaces are not allowed. Then spaces have some meaning in Python. So if you are using extra spaces, so that is not allowed, and those spaces are having some meaning. So that we will see practically. I have told you extra spaces are not allowed in Python program. So here I am writing simple print statement which is printing hello world on the console. And I have pressed Ctrl S and F5. So now this is hello world, it is printing. So now here if I run it again, so it is showing hello world. So if I have given here extra space, one space I have given, I have saved the program, and if I run it again, it is giving me error unexpected indent. So extra spaces are there, so those are used for indentation. So it is telling it is not proper place to give indentation, so unexpected indent it has got, so you have to remove this. Now next, if I take here two variables, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, and if I print a and b on the console, and if I run it again, so now it is giving 2 and 3 on the console. Now here if I have given here extra space, so one tab I am giving, and I have saved it, and if I run it again, so it is again giving me unexpected indent, right? So that's why here extra spaces are not allowed in Python, right? So if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.